Hey guys, this is a V5 corded stick vacuum with a powerful suction. It's very lightweight and slim. You can fit it very easily in your closet. It also comes with a mount to mount it to the wall. Here are all the parts included: the main vacuum with the cord, a stick that is also adjustable for taller people, and the base. You also have a couple other attachment pieces for those hard to reach areas and a brush tool to help clean out if any hair gets stuck or strings or anything like that. So to assemble it, it just simply clicks together. This. Like this. I love how slim it is. It can even fit under your couch. We have the on-off power button right here. As you can see, it works great on both the carpet and hardwood floor. Also fits under your couch. So